Greetings, Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can actually insert a video link in Google Doc. Yes, it's very important. All right, I'm going to walk you through it step by step, how to add that particular link in Google Doc, right? So first thing, I wanted to bring over the Google Doc right here. If you notice, you can see right here, we have our Google Doc. So we want to put in the video link so that we can actually go ahead and watch, right? So if you notice right up here, so we have the YouTube, so we're going to click on it. So notice this is the video link that we want to insert in our Google Docs. So we're going to put the cursor on this video link. You want to right click, you notice right down here, say copy link address. So click on that. So I'm going to come right back over here and I'm going to click. Then we're going to click, if you notice right here, it shows to insert the link. So I'm going to click. If you notice right here, so right text right here says a paste. So right click. So notice it's right piece. So notice right away show the video URL here. And right here say click apply. Now click apply. Right? If you want the video to play, you can just click on it like that. You notice it show right here. So if I come right and I click on it, you notice this is for the video ready to play. Just like that. And I can come right here and I can actually bring it up just like that. Big up just like this. I can come right here and bring it down. Just like that, I can click. You notice this is the video still over here. I can click like that and there you go. Just click like that. I click again and you go. All right. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.